So guys, one of the things that I get asked all the time is, what do you do for maintenance on your Tesla? Well, we're going to do just that today. So, first maintenance item for the Tesla Model 3, we got to come right in here and fill the washer fluid. Check. Yes. Hey, all this is junk.
Whoa, what was that?
60-foot tall or something like that. So we've got the washer fluid topped off, and we've got about 6,000 miles on this thing. So the next thing we're going to need to do is rotate the tires. We're going to put the back left up on the front right, and so on and so forth. Something you should do to any car about every 5 or 10,000 miles, because it saves you money, because your tires will last longer. Another thing I get asked all the time is, Brent, you live on a dirt road, it's bumpy, it's nasty, how is that Tesla gonna survive that? Well, I've only got like 6,000 miles on it, so I can't say for sure, but this thing, it looks like it's tougher than it looks. So the other night, I actually ran over a deer. It's a pretty big deer, probably about 150 pounds. Just the car in front of me hit it, and I couldn't avoid it. And so it come up under here, and that bumper's flexible enough that it took it. And we've got all this deer fur stuck to this thing. I mean, this thing was big, and it felt like the car came up off the ground for a moment. And you can see his little streaks here. Uh-oh. Look out, kitty. You okay, little buddy? We've got all the deer fur stuck up here, and he was touching the bottom of the car all the way down. You can see his streaks. And all the way back here, we've got more deer fur and more streaks, and absolutely no damage. Guys, can we talk about the environment for a minute? Gasoline-operated impacts are really bad for the environment. You got to get you a battery-op one. So there is one little bit of damage under here. We've got this right here. When we drug along the car, we actually bottomed it out. But that's not so bad. Man, I'm hard on stuff. So now that we've got the tires rotated and the washer fluid full, what else is there for maintenance? Really nothing. The only scheduled maintenance on this car is what we've already done, plus changing the air conditioner filters, replacing the brakes, which the brakes will last a very long time on an electric car because of the regenerative braking. You hardly ever use your actual physical brakes. Other than that, it has a 12-volt battery, which, it'll go bad eventually, like the 12-volt battery in any car. But as far as the big battery and the electric motors, there is no maintenance to do. So that's probably the end of this video. And now I'm going to tear apart this car for no reason, just to see what is underneath all these covers. But you'll have to catch that in another video. Check it out. Thanks for watching.